everyone. Welcome to Tasha Determined, the Queen of Weight Loss Show on the PIC TV network. We're doing another behind the scenes, and this is one of my favorite behind the scenes because I'm discussing my ebook. I have an ebook that is sold on Amazon right now. It's titled 47 Weight Loss Tips to Achieve Successful and Long-Term Weight Loss. And there's a very profound reason why I chose the number 47. The number 47 is in honor and tribute to my dear Auntie Portia Nita Wade. My Auntie Portia Nita Wade, she passed away from a massive heart attack at the age of 47 in the middle of the night in her bed. And our very last conversation was in regards to her health. I remember it like it was yesterday. It was one of my most fondest memories of my auntie because it was the very last time I saw my auntie on earth. It was a particular day after high school. At that time, I was 17 years old. In 2007, I was 17 years old, and I called my auntie up on the phone after high school. And I was like, "Hey, auntie, what you doing? Can I come over and see you?" She's like, "You don't have to ask me to come over and see you. You don't have to ask me to come over and see me. I'm your auntie, girl. You can come over anytime." I was like, "Okay, auntie." So I was like, "Okay, I'll be over soon. I'm gonna pick up my mom because my mom and my auntie, they had a close relationship as well. And my auntie, she is my dad's sister, so we had a really close relationship. So I picked up my mom. We went over to my auntie house, and she was in really great spirits that day. My auntie, she had the prettiest smile. The smile could light up a room. She had a very soft-spoken voice and sweet and very professional, and she's just a beautiful individual. And she was really happy and excited that day. And when we got over there, she was discussing her health. She was like, "Tasha, I'm gonna lose some weight." I was like, "Okay, auntie, okay." She's like, "Yeah, I'm serious this time. I want to lose weight. I want to live healthy, and I want to take back control of my health." And we were like, "That's really great, auntie. That's really great." And at that time, my auntie, she was overweight. She had some health challenges. She was on several medications and things like that. And she wanted to take back control of her health because she knew that being overweight was contributing to her health issues, to her health challenges. And so she wanted to take back control of her health. She wanted to lose weight, start working out, start having proper nutrition, eating more fruits and vegetables within her diet and her eating habits, I would say. So she was really excited. She was like, "I'm serious this time. I'm serious this time, everyone. I'm ready to take back control of my health." And we were all excited and happy. I was as well. And even my mom, she was happy and excited. And we was over my auntie's house for about, I would say, an hour or so. So we was just over there. Then after that, we was like, "Okay, that's great, auntie." And for my family, we always say, "See you later." We don't say the word bye because bye is too final. So it was like, "Okay, auntie, love you. I'll talk to you later. See you later." And it was a great way. That was a great day we had with my auntie. And even on the drive home, I was just excited. I was excited for my auntie because that's my auntie. I want her to live healthy. I want her to be living her best life through health, wellness, and fitness. So I was excited for her. Even my mom was excited for her. The following morning, we got one of the worst phone calls. I received one of the worst phone calls of my life. My auntie Portia, she passed away at the age of 47 from a massive heart attack in the middle of the night in her bed. So my auntie Portia, she never got the opportunity to live a healthy lifestyle. She never got the opportunity to take back control of her health. And that was literally our last conversation we had was in regards to her health. She wanted to take back control of her health, but she didn't have the opportunity. And at that time, I was 17 years old, and I was really devastated to know that my auntie passed away at such a young age. At such a young age, and I didn't have enough. I feel like I didn't have enough time with my auntie. She was only 47 years old, so she was so young. And I attribute my ebook to her. My 47 weight loss tips is attributed to my auntie Portia Nita Wade, and the purchase price on Amazon is $4.70. Is attributed to that as well. And I even released my ebook on my auntie Portia's birthday, November 4th. November 4th was when my auntie was born. And if she was alive today in 2021, she would have been 62 years old. So that's very young to pass away from a massive heart attack. And it was a heart disease, which led to that is our quality. What led to that? There's a lot of research out here is that our diet, or eating habits, as well as what we're consuming in our body, contributes to these chronic diseases. Heart disease is a chronic disease. So I'm here, my mission, call to service. Up here, call to serve. This is what I'm called to do. I'm called to help other individuals achieve a healthy lifestyle before it's too late. That is what I'm called to do. This is my mission on earth. I'm here to help everyone live a healthy lifestyle through health, wellness, and fitness. I want everyone to know it is possible to lose weight. It's possible to keep it off. Keep the weight off. I lost 112 pounds all natural in 9 months back in 2017, and I've been able to keep the weight off to this day. And I'm here to help you get there. And just know it's possible. It all starts with that mindset. Our mindset is the most powerful asset, most powerful resource that we own. Just know that if Tasha can do it, if Tasha can lose weight, you can too. And I want to help you lose weight before it's too late. And just stay tuned, everyone. It's going to be more videos to come. And thank you for tuning in and listening. This is Tasha Determined, and I'm here to help you with your healthy lifestyle. Just know that we got this. We got this together. Just know that you're not alone. I'm here to help you get there. Thank you so much, everyone, for listening and tuning in. Until the next video, take care.